Back out at the gym doing some turf cleaning. If you are a local gym in the Stanislaus or San Joaquin County areas of California, I highly suggest, depending on the size of your gym and how many members you have, from what you can see here, it's pretty dirty. You should be potentially having it cleaned possibly quarterly, depending on your memberships and how active that space is. Because when I do this gym and I dump my dirty water tank, it's usually always a dark brown or almost black. And the other thing is human hair gets caught in this really easily. I mechanically scrub the turf before this step, and I get a lot of hair out to the point where I had to clean my brushes out twice. And this is about 300 square feet of space only. And there's always the account of somebody getting their gums stuck in here too, which I've pre-treated it with some citrus, and then I'm using the heat from the machine to loosen it up and get it out, so I don't put anything too harsh on this turf and cause issues. Alright, I'm about halfway done. So I'm using citrus-based cleaning agents mostly, since our bodies are sweat and we're oily. This helps a lot. And then I am extracting with a alkaline-based rinsing agent too, to give me some extra cleaning power. Because depending on the frequency that the gym will have the turf cleaned, and being a kind of a medium-sized, maybe almost a large-sized gym, this gets tons of activity. So you want to make sure you adjust your chemistry accordingly. And I'm basically doing full up and down double passes on the whole thing. Now I have done this job 2 other times, and there is a video of me doing, I believe, the entire thing. So vacuuming, pre-treating it, mechanically scrubbing with the CRB, and then what I'm doing right now, extracting it with an alkaline-based rinse. So if you want to see a little bit more of the action, go check that out. Gym turf cleaning. It should pop up if you search for that on the channel. If I remember during the upload phase, I'll try and link it. You'll see it up in the right hand corner on YouTube. But same gym floor. Makes quite a difference to have it cleaned, but I had to clean my CRB bristles on the brushes twice, just in this 300 square feet or so of space, because of all the human hair that came loose off of people and got on here and kind of got entwined into it due to all the activity. And it got so built up in the CRB brushes that it kind of made it so the brushes can't flex, and it was making my CRB bounce around on the ground. So that was kind of part of the reason why I wasn't filming it, because I had to stop twice to clear it of the hair. But the first 2 times that I did it, it didn't do that to me. So this time around, as far as hair goes, it was the worst that it's been. So again, if you're in the Stanislaus or San Joaquin County areas in California, give us a call if you need your gym turf cleaned. Even if it's at your home, if it's like this kind, you should have no problems cleaning it for you. Alright, just finished it up. All done, just gotta turn it on the machine and pack it on up. Alright, let's take a look in the filter. This should prove why I like using the filter. It's a lot easier to clean. Yeah, that's pretty gross. That's hair, dirt and stuff that's been pulled out. Alright, so see, this is all the hair from the second time bringing the CRB out. Super entwined. This is going to take some time to get out. Ooh. It's pretty gross. So, take the pins out, and they will get stuck because of the hair. So, I may have to cut the camera and put a screwdriver on the other end and to loosen this out, but yeah, this hair gets real bad from the constant people working out. Look at this. Dang. That's bad. Alright, so I got majority of it out. Here's my hair pile just from the brushes. Now I'm going to be taking these back to my shop and cleaning them, disinfecting them and all that, but yeah, that's a lot of hair. See how bad this water is. Holy cow. Look how dark that is. Like that every time.